This is a video presentation of the Jones & Shipman Suprema Easy 650. We do have a couple of extra wheels coming with. Got a diamond wheel, brand new, never been used, and then just a standard grinding wheel. And right now we'll just go ahead and move it through its paces a little bit. Go ahead and fire up the wheels here. This has the touch screen. We do have all the manuals for this machine as well. I'll go ahead and turn the main one. Right now we have the sides off. It's going through a final cleaning. We'll go ahead and take a walk around here so you can see all the sides here. Backside. This is a 400 volt, 50 amp. Got FANUC drives. This concludes the video presentation of the 2009 Jones & Shipman Suprema Easy 650.